Excipient World is the only US event focused on the business, science, quality, and safe use for excipients. Exhibitors have ample time to dedicate exhibit hall hours to meet with attendees at their booth and many networking opportunities to meet with customers and new prospects.
The different exhibits had different, very interesting formulations and mechanisms of action. So for me, it was a rewarding experience. I definitely see myself being here next year.
Excipient World delivers quality buyers and influencers that are there to learn about and source excipient and services. Exhibitors can engage with the leading pharmaceutical, biologic, veterinary medicine, and consumer healthcare products manufacturers including Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Merck, Biogen, Amgen, Bausch, P&G, Perico, Clorox, Eli Lilly, Henkel, and many more, and meet one-on-one with buyers in private meeting rooms.
I find it spectacular. I did not know a whole lot about excipients when I first started, but I don't call myself an expert, but I've been here 10 years. I see all the important things that are going on, and this conference by far brings to light all of the key issues that are going on with excipients. I have to review DMFs, and that means that I have to review what the suppliers are providing and what's in the DMS from the suppliers. So I kind of see the whole picture from the beginning to the end, and I find this conference to really highlight all of the issues that need to be discussed and keep going forward.
Secure your booth space today and receive year-round marketing and an opportunity to meet face-to-face with excipient user manufacturers at Excipient World 2020. May 11 through 13 at the Gaylord Palms Resorts and Convention Center.